This is your percent application finding the whole homework review. It says match each correct answer to a letter and complete the riddle below. Not all choices will be used. Number 1, a toy manufacturer estimates that 6% of its products are defective. If it produces 550 toys in one day, then how many will be defective? So 6% out of 100% of their toys are going to be defective. If they made a total of 550 toys that day, we have to figure out how many will be defective. 550 times 6 is 3,300 divided by 100 equals 33. X equals 33. So down below, the number 33 matches the letter T. So in our riddle, anytime you see a 1, you have to put the letter T. Number 2, 14% of the town's population are above the age 65. If there are about 320 residents over the age of 65, then what is the town's population? So people over 65 was 320. We're looking for the whole town. And we know those 320 people that are over the age of 65 make up 14% of the population. Cross multiply and divide. 320 times 100. Divide that by 14. We end up getting 2,285.714286. So we're going to round up and say the population is about 2,286 people, which goes with letter L. So anytime you see the number 2 in your riddle, you have to put the number L, or the letter L, sorry. Number 3, in 2014, the number of home runs hit by the LA Dodgers accounted for 6%. So Dodgers over the MLB. Of the 583 home runs hit in the MLB. We want to know how many home runs did the LA Dodgers hit. Cross multiply and divide. 583 times 6. Take that answer and divide by 100. Then we get 34.98. So we're going to round that and get x equals 35, which is letter A. So anytime you see a number 3, put the letter A. Number 4, 2 of the dozen eggs in the carton are cracked. There's 12 in a dozen, 2 are cracked, that means 10 are not cracked. About what percent of the carton is not cracked? So 10 of the eggs out of the 12 total are not cracked. What percent is that over 100? Cross multiply and divide. I got x equals 83.3 repeating, which goes with the letter G. Number 4 is a G. Number 5, Mr. Hollins determines that he gives away $800 each month. If he gives away 16% of the budget, then how much is his overall budget? So 16 over 100 equals 800 over x. 800 times 100 divided by 16. Monthly overall budget is x equals 5,000. Are there any 5,000s? Yes, are. Number 6, Eddie's reading a novel for English class. He's read 173 out of 480 pages. What percent of the book has he read? Cross multiply and divide. 173 times 100. Take that, divided by 480. We figure out he's read about 36% of the book. which goes with the letter C. Number 7, a nutrition label states that there are 36 grams of carbohydrates in each serving. This accounts for 12% of the daily value. How many grams of carbohydrates are recommended per day? So 12% over 100% equals 36 over x. 36 times 100 equals 3,600. Divide that by 12. Recommended x equals 300. Which is not on the list. Number 8. Wait, did I do that wrong? Number 7, I got 300, and I just did not see that that was letter E. And then I solved number 8. 56% of the 2,553 students are enrolled in at least one honors class. How many students are enrolled in the honors class? Set up my proportions, solved, and I rounded. 8 goes with the letter N. So 7 goes with E, 8 goes with N, there's a second E. What do you call a destroyed angle? A rectangle.